If you've got a tractor out there that you can change the tools on in minutes, it's kind of the equivalent of having many of these old tractors, because the reality is you can't go on to like a small, do these small 1 acre plantings and change your tools 3 or 4 times if you're running one of those machines. Whereas this guy, ease of use, huge.
I really love the implement hoist. You hook it up, you can just swivel your attachments around, hook another one up. Years ago, the Alice Chalmers, you'd have to take it off, drag it out, 2-3 person job. This is, 1 person by yourself, 5 minutes, you're back out in the field.
In under 10 minutes, I can switch out the toolbar that probably weighs a couple 100 pounds. It's definitely changed how I think about cultivation, because now I can run through and use 2 different implements and, be closer to that 90%, 95% efficiency that I think we're all kind of looking for when we cultivate.